Hi, it's Kashif, and welcome to the Test Prep Pundits SAT Bootcamp. Last time I solved a problem using the back solving method, and I asked you guys to solve this problem on the screen in front of you. Last time I said this problem is tricky, but honestly, looking at it right now, it's pretty simple. But don't feel dumb if you weren't able to solve the question. What matters is that you're making an effort. Let's look at the question. One end of a spring is attached to a seal. When an object of mass m kilograms is attached to the other end, the spring stretches to a length of L centimeters as shown. What is m when L is 73? The only thing that matters is the last part. What is m when L is 73? They've told us that L is 73, so we're just going to put that directly into the equation. I've written it down here. And you can take 24 to the other side like this and subtract it. And you're going to get 49 is equal to 3.5 times m. Now, an interesting thing about this question is that you can look at the options and eliminate basically all of the wrong ones. It can be 279.5 clearly, and it can be 73 or 27.7 because 2 times 27.7 is already greater than 49. So 3.5 times it is obviously going to be way too much. That leaves us with 14. So you could probably mark 14, but don't. You always want to check your answer. You don't want to make mistakes because you rushed into things. Let's try 14. 3.5 times 14. You can write this as 35 divided by 10 times 14. You can take 2, 5, 7, take out 7. 7 times 7 is 49, which is the answer. So you can mark 14 after checking that is the right answer. Now that is the end of the back solving series of questions. Up next, we're going to be doing the plug-in method, which I think is pretty fun. So